Hello everyone, my name is Roya and welcome back to my Easy Crochet for Beginners series. This is part 2 and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet stitch. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I recommend starting with that video first. Let's get started. I have 8 chains here, but you can start with any number you like. First, I make 2 extra chains. Then yarn over. While holding the yarn over on the hook, insert the hook into the 3rd chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, and this is your first half double crochet. One more time. Yarn over, go into the next chain. As you can see with my hand, yarn over, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I continue this until the end of the row. And the first row is done. Let's start the next row. First, make 2 chains. The 2 chains give us height for the next row. Then turn your work. I go into the 3rd chain as you see in the video. And right here, I make my half double crochet. Continue until the end of the row.